What was I gonna do? Hold on. Yeah, yeah. Let me see about remix. Stop. Let me see. Only take setups with a high probability. All right, let's go. Yeah. See this? This is a nice setup. All right, broke here. Came back. Never hit. Broke here. Came here. Like Trent is so friendly user. Cause look, bro, GJ is probably the best trades. Cause look at GJ. Just look. This is the simplest thing you could do on GJ. You see how wait till it break and retrace. So look, every time it break, it always comes back to retracement. Sometimes it don't break, retest. It doesn't break. Okay, fine. Break highs. This was the low. Once it come back here, enter here, put it at low. Boom. Oh my gosh, look. Another again. Watch this. Highs again. And break highs again. It break highs again. This is the low. Once it go back above, or you even put this as the low. I really wouldn't, but this is the low. Boom. It come up. Boom. Almost hit. Come back. Boom. It hits. Watch what it do it again. Watch this. New highs. It breaks highs. It comes back down. This is the low. This is the low. Never comes back down to the low. Go above. Even though, like, look, granted, this is a high stop loss. So say if you do enter right here, you'll put the low right here, and then it'll be like right here. Granted, that's a 1-on-1. You can hold longer though. But this is a 1-on-1 that's going to hit like 90% of the time. It's going to hit like 90% of the time. And this is, you just learn a basic of hitting 80. This is like an 85% win rate. Boom. You have to do a big stop loss like this, though. You have to. You can't really, because even if you tighten the stop loss, it can always whip back down. Like, say, we did, like, okay. Like, this one. Boom. It breaks here. Boom. Like, look, you enter here. So say it came back down. Boom. You enter here. Boom. The stop loss would be somewhere right here. The TP would be somewhere like right here. Even though this is a 0.67, you can hold longer. It is disgusting, but it does, like, it is really disgusting. Like, it is like very disgusting, but it does win because look, comes here, you enter, boom, down for a couple of days. Now look, boom. Another one, boom. Watch this. Down for it does work consistently. So boom. You come down. This is the previous low. Boom, it comes down. You really wouldn't want to enter. That is like super low. Like you wouldn't want to, but if you want a tight stop loss, it's fine. But let's say Down, that would take away all our profits. I would do this. That's too far. And even so, boom. This is like the perfect setup right here. This would be more perfect because it is a upper trend. But look at this. So it breaks here. Boom, boom. This is where it's at. And come back down. Boom, boom. You hold. Boom. You hold. You would try to hold to like right here, but you would just hold like right here. Nice little 101. All right, boom. Bye. Boom. It comes here. Take off. Come back. Hmm. I don't know what the stop loss would be. This is like multiple entries right here. This is like a multiple entry spot right here. Multiple entries you can get. Multiple entries. It happens consistently though. You just try to find a stop loss that makes sense though. See how it never came back up? Look, boom. It never came back. It never comes back. Even if this is the lowest, boom, this is the lowest the price want to go. Look how it never came back. Never came back up. First high, boom. You wouldn't do too much of a big stop loss right here. You actually wouldn't, unless you want to. But like me, I wouldn't do like a big stop loss, like somewhere like, say you come like right here. You would want to do like somewhere like right here, like not too big, like somewhere like right here. But you'll always like target the highs. And look, it kind of play with you for like days. Boom, 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 boom. This is just long term, but as you can see, boom comes up, bam. You see? So even so, you can see the downtrend. So boom. So where's the biggest takeoff from here? From here to here is right here. This would be the biggest takeoff. But that's a long stop loss. You feel me? Boom. Come back. Enter from here. You probably don't want to go too deep. Or say you do. Like make this the stop loss. You probably wouldn't, in all honesty, go too deep. And then you'll just take it back off the highs. And you'll just hold till you'll just hold this. And you see how I keep breaking highs again? This is the perfect one. Boom. Boom. Break highs, come back, touch. Break highs, this thing come back. Break highs. And this happens repeatedly. It just happens repeatedly. Repeatedly. So break highs, come back, touch, go. Touch. Break highs. This is where broke highs at. Come back. Go. Touch. Break highs again. I'm telling you, it happens consistently. Break highs again. Alright. Look. Highs. Come back. Boom. Buy here. Stop loss here. This is just like perfect. Buy. Boom. Come back. So you buy it doesn't really matter where you buy. So you go buy right here. Doesn't really matter. You could have bought here, still would have been good. Because why? Stop loss somewhere around here. TP. Boom. Boom. Bam. This is a nice. Boom. Come back. To the area. You thinking of boom. Come back. Boom. This is a price. This is an area where I like price to come, but it never came back. Boom. Sometimes it don't. Boom. Come back. Boom. Go. Boom, come back, boom, go. Look, boom, come back, boom, go. Boom, come back, boom, go. Boom, come back, boom, go. The market is easy. It's just a lot of impatient. A lot of RRs ain't really realistic either. As in, you can't really hit 5 R's and 7 R's with this type of strategy. You just know you're following the market. So boom, if I do enter this, look at that. That's a 133. You can multiply your assets, but you can't really follow like what you want to do. Like, look, boom, come back, boom. It works majority of the time, though. I can say that. I can really say that. Boom, doesn't hit. Boom, come back, go. Boom, come back, go. Boom, like look. Boom, come back, go. Boom, come back, miss. Boom, boom, come back. Boom. You can tell though. Look at this. It tells. Boom, come back, go. Boom, come back, boom, come back, go. Boom, come back, go. Boom, come back, go. Like it happens consistently, 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 consistently. This happens repetitively, consistently. You don't have the best R, but I swear to God, you have like an 85% win rate. You have like an 85% win rate with this. You see how you barely lose. Boom, boom, boom. You lose this one. Boom. Okay. Boom. You gain this one. Boom. You gain this one. Boom. This is the one that's setting up. Wait till it come back. Boom. Come back up. Boom. Easy. Easy. We could do this forever. Boom. Touch back. Go. Boom. Touch back. Say, all right, boom, you buy here. Like, look. Okay. Come back, boom, buy, boom. Maybe this shit do stop you out. Maybe it does. And in all honesty. Boom, go. Like, look. Boom, bam, stop loss, go. Boom, bam, stop loss, go. Boom, bam, stop loss, go. Just follow the market. That's it. It's really patience in this. It's really patient. I don't know how to scout. I don't. But I know guaranteed this will always be profitable because you're just following trend. That's all it is. Most people don't want to. Maybe it's days, maybe it's weeks. Maybe you can find entry ways. But I know this, for a beginner standpoint, this is the easiest. This is the easiest. You have to understand. Just understand what I'm saying. Understand what I'm saying. This is the easiest to follow. We don't want the fast. You want guaranteed money, not the fast money, guaranteed. So every time it goes here, it will come here again. And it doesn't break lows. Because even if it does, it didn't break. Okay, boom, it comes back. Boom. You say you buy. Boom, buy. Come up, buy again. Boom. Maybe it doesn't want to come back up. Bah. It's still in a downtrend. Okay, there's another one. Boom, buy. Stop loss here. Come back down. Buy again. Boom. Come up. Boom, boom. Remember here. Buy. Close out. Stop loss once they break here. Close out 1, 2. You can purchase it here. Boom. It hit here. Boom. But anything that went here, hit here. So buy. Boom. Boom. Come here. What was the stop loss right here? You can move the all your stop losses right here. Some really like right here. If you want to be realistic, like somewhere around here. Boom. Put your stop loss in. You want to put it lower, fine. If you wanna take risk, fine. Put it like right here. I wouldn't, but you have to figure out how to always win. So boom, enter here. Put your stop loss right here. It doesn't never hit. Boom, come here. It comes back where price was originally at. Boom, it always comes back. It broke here and went here. It broke here. It goes right back. Boom, put your stop loss here. It's a wide stop loss. Granted, it is, but it always hit 85% of the time. Boom, come back. It comes back down here. What you do? You could buy again. Buy, stop loss here. Boom, come back up. Boom, it breaks here. Oh my gosh, what is it going to do? When it come back down here, boom, buy. Boom, what does it do right here? Boom, buy. What it did, boom, the lowest it was ever been was here. It doesn't hit here. Boom, buy, goes up. Another one. I entered this one today, but I don't like it. I exit. It's ranging. And I still believe it's going to hit. I still believe it's going to hit. Boom, new highs, comes up. This is the low, really. This I put it, you give it breathing room. This is the low right here. Boom. Because what? It could hit here. It could wick, then go back up. Look, you buy here when it breaks out. Boom. But it already did that. Look, come up, new highs. Boom. Come here. Go. Boom. Come here again. Boom. Go. And it's keep ranging. You don't want to keep playing with ranging markets. You just want to play with trendy markets. You see how it's just trending? This is just ranging. So like even here, like if you want to take smaller setup, this is just a smaller setup compared to these bigger setups. Like if you take smaller ones, boom, you see how it break highs? It break highs, come back up. This is where it break highs. Boom, you buy here. Look, it's not a beautiful RR, but it does hit. I'm telling you, you buy here. The stop loss is here. The TP. I'm not trying to be funny. Like you can, it's here. I'm sorry. Like it's to ride the trend. So even like don't even make this your TP. Say make this break even. It hit here. Close out at break even. I would tell you to just to close out at break even. You can say, hey, I do want to add more profit, and you can do because you could abort here, come back, but sometimes you do lose. But like I said, I want to show the real. But most of the time you win. You buy when it broke out. Boom. You buy. It at least came back to highs. That's all you gotta. That's all it really supposed to do. Come back to highs or higher. You want it to go higher though. When the trend is so high up, sometimes you do have to wait. Like it's so high up, I don't care to go past here. Even though I think market will go past there, but you don't want to go so high up. You want to give it a little breathing room. But it always comes back. It always comes back. It always comes back to previous high and doesn't break lows. Like I can find this repetitively. Like, okay, like watch this. Boom, it broke highs here. Look, this is like if you're trying to scout. Boom, it broke highs here. This is disgusting, but you wouldn't take nothing like this because the TP is not high enough. But it never hits back to low. Look, but it does always goes back higher than this. Because look, in all honesty, come here, hit here. Even though it never comes back to here, but it does always come back to here. This happens 80% of the time. So what you do, you don't take setups like this because this is disgusting. You want to take at least a 101. That's a nasty setup. You don't want to take that. And you can find 101s or even long term, like right here. Boom. It broke out here. Wait, it came as soon as it came back. Look how good this one is. It broke from here to here. Look. So you could have took this from here. Sometimes setups like this take months to happen. But look, you could have did here to here. Because that was the lowest of the low before it broke out. So lowest of the low, when it's you can stretch it out even a little bit. Something a little low. And then look, boom. It happened. It's so easy. Like it just patience. That's all it is. So I just wait for patience. Like I believe the market will come back here. That's why I got out. I believe the market will come back here because it never hit. And even if it keep breaking highs, what I'll do. If it break this high, this is what I'll do. That's it. And wait. And wait. Look, it still never look, boom, came back. It still never kind of hit here. Maybe gold will come back here one day. Like, look, I left it here. Gold will come back. It will maybe come back. If it don't, it don't though. But if it do come back and you see it's not breaking the lows here, and it's a very strong bullish uptrend because gold goes up consistently, and it doesn't have no bad news, bad effects, you know it can go up. You see how much it was going up previously. It had to come back down. Boom, enter. Breaks here, come here, enter. Low here, boom. Breaks, come down. Maybe you enter here, low here, boom. Comes back. Breaks, comes back, enter. Breaks, breaks here. Really like right here. But really, this is the new high, in all honesty. But that's a nasty stop loss. So you would try to get something a little lower, low key, and that's where the one-on-ones come in. You see, it's so easy. It's easy. You can do this on lower time frames too. You can. You can. You can. I can find it so much times on lower time frames. You can find this a lot. It's just not the prettiest. Look, like low, boom. You follow the uptrend. It comes above here. It comes down. You buy here. Never hit. It never. This is the lowest. This is the lowest. Never hit here. But I swear to God, it comes back. This happens 85%. It's just the stop loss and the TP ain't beautiful. It's not. It's not no 4R. It ain't. You can make it a 4R though. Because look. So even if we do enter here, you can make it longer if it's a good spot to enter in. Like, so say we make this stop loss. This ain't ITP, but this is where you could say, hey, I'll be closing out at break even. Boom, you enter from here. You enter from here, boom, it goes up. So the best you got is a one-on-one. And yeah, that's all I got for today. But I feel like you learned something valuable, and yeah, I'm out. Now the sing